Hey guys, this is a video on editing. So let me show you guys how we edit the pictures. You can see here there's unevenness in the skin tone as well as the pores and some redness here. So let me show you how to fix that. First, we're going to use this option that I like to use, which is the patch. So this is really good to actually remove any potential redness. So you basically just click it and it helps to remove it. So you do it again and it's going to remove the redness. As you guys can see, you do it again. Patch. Okay. So then after that, we are actually going to save it, and then we're gonna use the skin tone. So you can actually see the skin tone by using the picker. You check the picker, you check this is the skin tone, okay? So then you go right here and you pick that exact skin tone, and then you can just easily smooth it out and make all the skin like this, the same color, so that it looks much nicer around the eye and it's not distracting anymore. You don't touch the lashes, obviously, just the skin around. And then what I like to use, as you guys can see here, there's a lot of imperfections. So what we can do is actually use this smooth feature, and you can do it more or less. I like to do less. So then you're just gonna smooth this out right here. Okay, so as you guys can see, let's see the difference here. Let's see the difference of how the picture looked like before and how it looks now. So this is what it looked like before, and this is what it looks like now. You can obviously do less or more, but I find that definitely you don't want to overdo it. Then there's another app that I like to use, which is actually going to be, let me save this. So the next app that I really like to use is called Snapseed. Let me just find it here. Where is it? Snapseed. All right, so we're gonna go here and we are going to take this picture, and here you have a lot of really cool tools as well. You can actually increase the exposure. So if there's not enough light, you can like bring up more light. This is a little bit much, but you can also do selective, and let's say you want to change the color of the skin tone if it's like underlit, for example, or if it's too dark, and you can increase the brightness just in this area, or you can also increase the saturation or decrease the saturation, as you can see by moving your finger. One other thing that you can actually do, which is really cool here, is details. And so you're able to make the skin much more smooth as well. So you basically just have to pick the option which is details, and then move your finger to the left, and the client's skin is gonna get really nice and smooth, which I also really like that option. There's another option here, which is healing. So this option is like also when you want to remove any spots that the client has on the skin. I would argue that this option is even better than the one on Facetune, because I find like you basically just need to tap and it just removes any potential imperfection. So that's really cool. It's so fast. And then there's a lot of other options but I don't necessarily use them. But I really like the brush option, which gives you the option to increase the exposure, the temperature, and the saturation. But what's actually really cool is that you can do it like only in one area. You don't have to do the whole picture. So you can really like increase the temperature in one area of the picture.
So you guys just want to make sure that you don't over edit the pictures. This is really like nice work on the eyelashes. We're just trying to make work on the skin around the picture, so as she said, so it doesn't distract you, but don't over edit the picture. That's really important, because you really want to make sure that you see the work that you do with the lashes and that it's realistic on your page, for when your clients come and see you and they ask you for a set that you've done as a picture. So make sure you just don't over edit them.
Yeah, just edit the skin around so that it's not distracting, avoid any imperfections. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys found this video useful.